Get your
There's
ear.
our little girl. She's getting her hair washed. That's what we said.
Look, she smiled. Did you get it?
Yeah. And her Auntie Susan's getting her first bath that
I'm
we're
exfoliating
here.
her head.
We're here to observe and learn how to take care of our little girl.
Gently.
Suavecito. But I'm a very lucky girl because Ignacio likes to take care of the girls.
Yeah?
Some men won't even come near him unless they're all bathed and don't want to take care of them.
Hey,
The
girl.
details.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Shelly. Do you like that, baby? You look very pretty. You look very cute. Okay. Oh, I heard somebody over there trying to get attention.
How does she look? She
She
needs
looks
to be
good.
buttoned, but...
Here, let's present her to the camera. There she is with her eyes open. There she is. Wow, that's our little girl. She's clean as a whistle.
Hello, Lisa. Hi, baby.
She looks real
Hello.
good. Okay, baby.
Kelly,
I'm gonna get a, can you take her? I'm going to get a blanket real quick.